I'm quite pleased that we're back to business as usual. I hope you've got some coin. Let's just take a look then. Oh my, how precious. Onmund is too afraid to deal with me himself, and so he's sent you. I'll make this very simple for you. All my trades are final. So there's nothing more to be said. Yes, you see, the thing is, I'm not concerned with everyone's best interest. I find I'm only concerned with my own. I've already made it very clear. Look how persistent you are. It's charming, really. Onmund gave up the first time I said no. All right, I'll tell you a little story. Let's pretend for a moment that a certain individual was looking to acquire a particular staff. Let's also pretend that he traded some valuable items for said staff. And it was only later that it was realized that this individual might misuse such a staff. The resulting disaster would reflect quite poorly on everyone involved. Are you following me? You're not very good at this, are you? Look, I traded a staff to someone and found out later that was a bad idea, so I'd like the staff back. Understand now? Finally, we have an agreement. I look forward to having it back soon. The sooner the better, in fact. Till next time.
Good to see Skyrim still has such fun. I can certainly share a bit of what I know. Take care now.
You're dead. That's close enough.
That spell looks dangerous. Keep your distance.
I need to ask you to stop. That good. Glad we straightened that out.
What do you need, my friend?
Would you mind dousing that magic? Thank you. This should turn that old cat's gaze. Maybe I'll be able to become a caravaneer myself. As promised, let me show you a thing or two about bargaining. Don't want some shifty merchant giving you a raw trade. Farewell.
Fresh fruit and vegetables every day.
All I can think about is my son, my Thorold. They say that he was killed, but I know better. I know my son is alive. Those battle-born, they're in with the Imperials. They know it too, and yet they lie to my very face. It's not wise to discuss it here. Please, if you truly wish to help, meet me at my home. I'll tell you the whole story.
Hey! Watch it!
somebody help?
Well, look what we have here.
Yes. Okay, okay. You've talked me into it. Thank you. Here, this is for you.
Someone do something. Been tending your hounds? You smell like a wet dog.
I still need some help. We're all trying to become better mages, right? Well, I need someone I can practice a few spells on. Nothing dangerous. Well, I simply thought you might wish to help out one of your fellow mages. If that's not enough, I suppose I have this amulet you could take. Oh, good. Now, you just stand there. Please hold still, and don't move. There. Now Oh dear. That wasn't supposed to happen. Do you feel all right? You look very, green. I am so very sorry. I went over this again and again, and I was sure it would have better results. It's not. It shouldn't be. You'll be back to normal in no time. And when you are, we can try this again, and I'll be sure to get it right. Didn't you know? Before the Oblivion Crisis, many elves called Winterhold their home. After, growing distrust of magic made life difficult for many. Some left rather than endure the growing hatred from the local Nords. Others returned home after the Red Year, when Vardenfell erupted and caused much destruction. Winterhold itself died in the years between then and now. What's left out there is a husk. Only the college really remains.
I never would have suspected that
I'd
the
better
Eye
get
could be so...
going.
I've certainly learned more here than I ever expected to. Oh, good. I was really afraid I'd lose it forever. Well, look at the evidence. Nords generally don't trust magic. Throw in the Oblivion Crisis, which was caused by magic users, and the troubles now of the Aldmeri Dominion, who are elves and magic users. And finally, take the fact that the college is the only thing left standing after most of Winterhold was destroyed. It's all fairly damning. Until next time.
I still...
Good to see Skyrim still has such fine... You give an old man hope.
I'm quite pleased. There's certainly nothing illicit going on here, Archmage. You can be quite sure of pleasure doing business with you. Till next time.
I still need some help, if you can spare the time. I'd better...
I never would have suspected that the Eye could be so dangerous. Tolfdir is right, isn't he? I've certainly learned more here than I ever expected to. I didn't think he'd really give it back. Thank you, friend. It's good to know I can count on you. Until next time.
Cesargo is eager to hear how the scrolls are working.
Cesargo
No,
made
not
work
really.
how when his
Couriers don't
scrolls
seem
work.
to like delivering letters here.
That's too bad.
Not at all. It means I'm not being hounded about my progress at the college.
I'm sure you've made note of who... She's but she is... She's trying to undermine my confidence, make me doubt myself, where it won't work, tell you. Do you mind swinging that somewhere else?
Be careful. What's the hurry? Praise Talos and all the divines. Whiterun has been liberated by the true sons of Skyrim. You're asking
That
for
spell
trouble
looks
walking
dangerous.
around with the-
Of course they have. Twice I've been robbed, and good luck getting any kind... Lately, they've been threatening to send my whole family into exile. Needless to say, these rebels and I have no love for each other. Watch yourself out there.
May your sword be sharp. And your tongue sharper.
Welcome to our home.
Mother, what's the meaning of this? Who have you brought into our home?
Thorald's disappearance has left our family in shambles. Avelstein, put that down! He's here to help us find Thorald.
How do we know he's not spying for the Battleborn? This was foolish. We can't trust anyone. Who knows what they'll do if they find me here?
I can't take any more of this. No weapons, please. Let's just talk.
All right, Mother. So, you're here to help? I know that Thorald's not dead. I just know it. The Imperials have him and are keeping him somewhere, but I don't know where. Those damned Battleborns, they know something. They're hiding it. There's gotta be something in that house of theirs. I just know it. I don't dare leave the house myself, so I need your help. Anything that confirms that Thorald isn't dead, but is being held captive. They'd be hiding it, of course. Wouldn't want it to get out that they've been lying this whole time. But you might be able to butter them up enough to lower their guard. Best if you didn't mention to anyone that you saw me here.
Can I help you?
Greymane or Battleborn? Then I say, well met, friend. I could tell you were a sharp one the moment I laid eyes on you. Long live the Empire. Do you have news? Did you find something? I knew it. Let me see, please. The Thalmor. By the 9, it's worse than I thought. So, Northwatch Keep. Then we know where to hit him. I'll do anything if it means saving my brother. Thorald can't be left to those monsters. Are you sure? I doubt you stand a chance against the Thalmor. I can have a group of men ready at a moment's notice. Many would be willing to help rescue my brother. Very well. I'll give you a chance. But if you can't do it, I will.
Walking around like that is why magic gets a bad name. Shame on you. Are you joking? Even if we had a prisoner by that name, the only way he'd be released is... Now I suggest you turn around and go back the way you came. Never should have come here. I'll end your... You're dead. Watch what you're doing. Someone there. mercy! Wolf.
You can do. It's nothing. I'll see.
Hey, watch what you do. Must have scared him off. What? Someone will suffer for this injustice.
What was...
Is someone there?
No more! I yield! I yield! hide from me.
I'll see you burn. I yield! I yield! I'll see you burn! Finish!
Scratch. That's his best.
Must have... I'll end your miserable life!